Hello and welcome. I am Maestra Teacher and this is my Spanish channel. If you are an English speaker or just trying to learn Spanish as a second language, then this is the channel for you. In today's lesson, we will be practicing together all the vocabulary related to the upcoming season of fall or autumn, and in Spanish we say el otoño. Fall is one of the most beautiful seasons of the year in which trees change color, they shed their leaves. Also, temperatures cool off, and it begins now in September 22nd and it will finish by December 21st or so. There's two major celebrations or holidays that we have during the fall season here in the United States. The first one being Halloween in October, and then in November we have Thanksgiving. So let's go ahead now and get ready with that vocabulary so you can impress all your friends and family in your fall gatherings. Just a quick reminder now, in my class you're going to see a picture, you're going to read the word, and you're going to listen and repeat. Look, listen, repeat after me. The more you repeat, the better you'll practice that Spanish, and the sooner you will become that bilingual person that you've been dreaming about. Let's begin by learning how to say fall or autumn in Spanish. Autumn in Spanish, el otoño. Say it. El otoño. In Spanish, we don't have a direct word like fall. We just use autumn, el otoño. Fall, we say in Spanish caer, which means to fall down, but we don't use that word to describe the fall season. So do not use the word caer, which means fall, in Spanish to describe autumn, because that's a big no-no. We only use el otoño. Orange in Spanish, anaranjado. Anaranjado. Yellow in Spanish, amarillo. Say it, amarillo. Red in Spanish, rojo. Rojo. Brown in Spanish, marrón. Some people also say café, like color coffee. Marrón or café. We also have some amber color. Amber in Spanish, AMBAR. AMBAR. Good. We also have some foods related to fall. For example, when we talked about pumpkins, a pumpkin in Spanish, la calabaza. Say it. La calabaza. Good. Corn in Spanish, el maíz. El maíz. Turkey in Spanish, el pavo. El pavo. Apples in Spanish, or an apple, la manzana. La manzana. Other words related to fall. Let's start with leaves. Leaves in Spanish, las hojas. Las hojas. Remember, in Spanish, the H is silent. You don't say hojas, you say hojas, like the H is not there. Tree in Spanish, el árbol. And if it's more than one, los árboles. Harvest in Spanish, la cosecha. La cosecha. Say it. Hay in Spanish, el heno. El heno. Good. A scarecrow in Spanish is a long word, so listen to it first. El espantapájaros. Say it. El espantapájaros. El espantapájaros. Good. A tractor in Spanish, we say el tractor. El tractor. A crow in Spanish, el cuervo. El cuervo. A rake in Spanish, el rastrillo. El rastrillo. Say it. El rastrillo. A squirrel in Spanish, la ardilla. La ardilla. An acorn in Spanish, la bellota. La bellota. Say it, bellota. An owl in Spanish, el búho. El búho. A farm in Spanish, la granja. La granja. And a farmer in Spanish, el granjero. El granjero. A spider in Spanish, la araña. La araña. Candies in Spanish, los dulces. Los dulces. This next one, I'm not sure how to say it in English, but in Spanish we call it la cornucopia. La cornucopia. Maybe you can tell me down in the comments if it's the same way in English, cornucopia. I'm not sure. And finally, the two holidays that are most important during the fall season here in the United States, we have Halloween and Thanksgiving. Halloween in Spanish, in America, we say la noche de brujas, which means the night of witches. But we just use that to describe Halloween as the holiday. La noche de brujas. Halloween is also known in Spanish as la víspera de todos los santos, but mostly is la noche de brujas. Thanksgiving in Spanish, el día de acción de gracias. El día de acción de gracias. Let's practice now some sentences or phrases that you guys can use to impress your friends and family now that fall is about to get here. If you want to express that you love autumn or that you love fall, you will say in Spanish, me encanta el otoño. Say it. Me encanta el otoño. If you want to say that you have to rake the leaves in Spanish, you will say, debo barrer las hojas. Debo barrer is to rake them or to, get them together. And leaves, hojas. Debo barrer las hojas. If you want to say that trees are changing color, you will say, los árboles cambian de color. Los árboles cambian de color. If you want to wish someone a happy Halloween in Spanish, you will say, Feliz Noche de Brujas. Feliz means happy, and Noche de Brujas, Halloween. And the same for Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, you will say, Feliz Día de Acción de Gracias. Feliz Día de Acción de Gracias. And if you want to express what you will be eating during fall, you will say, en el otoño voy a comer calabazas, maíz, y manzanas. It means in autumn I will be eating pumpkin, corn, and apples. En el otoño voy a comer, I'm going to eat calabazas, pumpkins, maíz, corn, and apples, manzanas. Thank you so much for practicing today's lesson with me. I hope you learned the vocabulary for fall and that you use it. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment if you want to, and I'll see you in my next lesson. Hasta luego!